is a must-visit destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modern charm. Known for its stunning Art Nouveau architecture, Riga boasts one of the world's largest collections of this style, making it a paradise for architecture lovers. In the charming old town, you can explore iconic landmarks like the Riga Cathedral, the House of the Black Heads, and St. Peter's Church, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Stroll along cobblestone streets, explore the charming squares, and admire the serene beauty of the Daugava River. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture lover, or just looking for a vibrant city to explore, Riga is an unforgettable destination.